Hi guys, I'm Maya and I'm one of Camp Tuku's counselors, and today I'm going to teach you how to make pop-up cards for our doctors and nurses who are working very hard on Camp Tuku Live. It's really important during this time to show all of our love and support for all of their hard work that they're putting in day out for our health. So the first thing you'll want to do is grab your paper and fold it in half. And after that, you'll want to cut 2 slits in the middle of the side of the paper. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So I made mine right here. And then what you'll want to do is fold this tab up that you made and crease it. Then you can put it back down. And after that, open the card and pop the paper toward the inside of the card. So see, now you have a pop-up card. And now here comes the fun part. You want to cut small squares of paper so that you can decorate them. And I already did this before and I thought of some ideas. You can draw something, print something out, write something, do whatever your heart desires. And after that, you'll want to glue these papers onto the little pop-up that you made. So that way, when people open the card, your picture will pop out. So I did that by just folding a small piece of tape, but you can use anything like a glue stick, a hot glue gun, or anything that you have at home. And see, what you do is you glue it onto the pop-up right there, and then close your card, and then when you open it, boom, your picture pops up. And you can write any message you want in there. It can be short or it could be long. And then you can send these to your local hospitals or doctor's office in order to show your love. And I'm sure that they would really appreciate it. Thanks for joining in on today's episode of Camp Tuku Live, where nature meets joyful minds. Please give us a like and consider sharing this activity with your friends and family members at home too. See you next week.